Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Who's ready to our live streaming for Friday? Let's get right to it, guys. Before we go further, remember our content here is just for educational purposes, and of course, we're not provide any financial advice. And of course, do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it, guys, and start our live streaming for today. Who's ready? Good morning, everybody. Let us bring the thing here. Yes, sir. Yes. Good morning, George. Yes, Abhi. Having a little bit of rock party. Starting the market with a bit of rock and roll. Let's get right to it. Let's get right to it. Weird. It's not weird, man. It's not weird. This is the right music, man. Soloing. Let the guitar speak. I don't like normal music, man. I don't like people when they sing. I prefer the instrument to do the singing. This is the best part. Let the guitar and piano and saxophone speak. We don't need a human to speak or sing. FDX bounce, what's going on? I think we got a flush for FDX. Yeah, it pulled back a lot. So FDX, guys, have a huge bounce yesterday, but now it's pulling back. It is a bit risky to play here after this pushback, but yeah, it could be good for a bounce. It's accumulating here. Anyway, Neo, we might have a nice jump for Neo for today. Watch out, guys. Open, pulled back, CJT, CJET, looking interesting. ADAP, the same. AGMH is the only one that looked fantastic for today. It hit our second profit taken around the 859. We discussed it on our watch list for today. We only have one watch list stock. We discussed AGMH before the market opened. We said the 622 is the resistant profit taken. We did another update. We said the 744 and the 856. And the last update we did as well. We hit the 860. We hit all the profit taken. And now we're waiting for another jump for it at the market open if it held the support. So for today, we only have one lonely unicorn, everybody. One lonely unicorn. Bria, yeah. Football club. Interesting. Yeah, Bria, I don't like it that much, but yeah, it look really interesting here. We have double top around this level, around the 35. Yes, 35. We have the 46 as well. So Bria could be interesting for a breakout here. We have double top, but as you can see, it is not for a swing. Let's see. You said it's a football club. Let's see. Our club. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. Interesting leadership. What's they selling here? Is a football club? American Football Club. No, Milan, Italy. Operating office in Milan, Italy. Company seeks to build legacy and brand. The first football club that was acquired by a company in 2022. Anyway, but yeah, we care about day trade. We could actually just trade it for a few minutes or a few seconds if it held our levels, of course. Anyway, so for today, yes, we've got few stocks to watch, few, not a lot, but AGMH should be the one to watch as well. Anyway, guys, hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification button on the way in. WLDS heating up again. Anyway, we got ZOOZ. Let's check this one. ZOOS. Z. This is the first time I see this stock. Yeah, we never checked it. What else we got? AXSM. What else we got? XXII. We got QLGN. W Wilds. WLDS, you mean, not the WILDS. WLDS, I think. Because we traded before. ORBS. We have many requested stocks here. I'm checking the good ones. We don't want to miss anything. Before that, I have to check the requested stock from our hunters here. Emoji traders as about Bria and CMND and Open. CMND. Okay, I'm gonna check CMD first for emoji trader. We have the support around the 111. Current resistance is around the 145. If we pumped, I will watch for the 160 for CMND, and the other level is around the 178. But now is consolidating sideways. For CMND, for Open, as we said before, we have a support around the 980. We have a bit of volatility right now, testing the support. Current resistance still around the 1096. Bottom is the 919. Profit 1188. Let us check the requested stock here. ORBS, yesterday 15%. Today is still holding the support at 1240. Now jumping up 8%, still currently have a struggle to break the 1570. If we did, we might have the 18. For now is kind of consolidating sideways and kind of recovering from the huge pushback that we got lately. But yeah, it's not that strong. We got WLDS 18% up. We got support for it around the 5. Now testing a resistance around currently, give or take, around the 588. Might watch again for yeah, those levels around 659 and 734. Those the two levels that we might reverse from, because this one, guys, pumped a lot on the 10th of September. And currently still have a bit of strength because we didn't have a huge pullback. Yeah, if you see in the big picture, we have a huge pullback from the 11 until the 5, so almost 50% down. But on the big picture, we still currently good. WLDS, I might build it on the waiting list because it look interesting. QLGN, I don't like it that much. It pulled back a lot. XXII, I don't like it as well. AXSM, the same. Yeah, it pulled back a lot. It need to break, or it did actually broke a resistance here. Yeah, it broke resistance, but it's not a unicorn. ZOOZ. Whoa, this is a new unicorn, guys. Just came right now. That's why a lot of you ask me about this one. It might have, yeah, it might recover and go toward the 13. For now is pulling back. So I would be extremely careful because it pulled back a lot. Now it's 123. It pulled back a bit toward the bottom here. We have a bottom, it's a bit far around the $2.37. Now it's around the 5. Watching for the $3.50 maybe for a dip toward the $3.50. But you know what? I don't like the trend that much for ZOOZ because it pushed back a lot and pulled back a lot. So I don't trust for entry yet. AGMH on the other hand look different, look really good because it hit 2 profit taking early on in pre-market. Just as a reminder, we did the update on our Discord and Bitcoin. We discussed it first once the price was around the 622 and we said the 723 is the profit taken. Update the chart again. We hit the 7, we said the 856 is the profit, then we adjusted again. We said the 861 is the resistance. Again, guys, if you want to have access to those updates on Discord and Bitcoin before even the market open, you can head toward our Discord and Patreon. The link, I will just put it right there in the live chat section if you want to have early access, of course, to our hunt and community and of course support us over there. So I'm gonna pin it right now. So CWD Norma, CWD. CWD not that good for today. CWD was one of the top gainers. Now have another support to hold over the 7. It might recover again and go toward the 1120 as long as we actually hold the current support over the 7. The bottom should be around the 570 right now. But yeah, it looked really interesting. I will put resistance now around the 863. And yes, the level that we should go to again is around the 1083 if we squeezed up. So yeah, CWD, they're really not bad. So I'm going to keep it on the list here. It looked really interesting because the pump happened on Wednesday, 2 days ago on 17 September. So I will put it on the waiting list. So AGMH number 1, ADAP, ZOOZ, CJET looking great. Open looking interesting as well because it held the support here over the 984. So this is it for now, guys. The market looking fascinating for me, especially for Open and NEO, especially because NEO might do 5% today. Yesterday gapped down, today gapped up. So I'm watching for a test around the $7.78 at the market open, guys. We might expect another 2% or total 5% for today before a pullback. I expect a pullback here, guys. 778 is a really dangerous zone for NEO. So if we jumped from the 778, we might have a huge avalanche of squeeze toward the 850. But now, yes, is kind of considering testing the $7.77 and might pull back after that. So guys, how everybody doing? Hit the like, let us have a green day. We got elite request. One of our elite members asked about plug. Okay, plug. Plug, we have the 2.20 right now is the resistance and profit taken. Support is the 186 and the 166. So if we have a pullback, I will watch for those two support reversal for plug. They're really good support. The bottom is, in the big picture, is the 135. Let me just check again if we have interesting. Yes, interesting. I will lower the second support just in case. Around the 160, yes. So we have 160 and 160, 186 and 160 to support. We might pull back because the $2.20 is a really strong resistant. Then I don't know if you want to have a chart for it, brother. So I'm gonna just put chart for you. So let me just do it really quick because the chart we already did it before. As you can see here, yeah, we have a really good breakout from this flag lately for for blog. We already discussed it on our Discord before this blog, before this breakout. We have the $2.20. And we have those levels that we might test. Here we go. Yeah. Anyway, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's have an interesting day. Tesla is still in green. Unity have a huge, humongous reversal. FedEx is pulling back down. I'm watching FedEx because it might today go down big time. So I'm watching it closely for a dip toward maybe... Yeah, now it's still in green, but a little green. Yeah, we might have a huge dip and going to red side. We got 4 minutes left at the market open, guys. 4 minutes left. Four minutes on the game to start again. Let's see, AGMH, 2 minutes now, I think. Good morning, everybody. Plus the like button, support the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for the support. Remember, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open, daily trades to discuss the market in depth, and early on in the pre-market where we discuss the market live, every day discussing the market live. So let's see. Okay, Neo pulling back a bit, open, let's see, open, pulling back, ADAP, AGMH pulling back. We have a little pullback now. Two minutes left. 2 minutes left. Norma, you are welcome. Can you check IMPP is not spectacular. TTWO flux. Guys, we don't have time to check everything. The only one that we keep is the one that looked great. This one doesn't look good. Flux. IMPP. Not, let's see if it's good. No, not good, man. So let's get right to it, guys. The market is about to open. Let us just focus on those stocks. We can't trade everything, man. So we have to be ready for those little stocks. Few seconds left at the market open. As a last reminder, guys, live streaming is daily except for the market close. So tomorrow and the weekend we're not going to go live, coming back on Monday every day. And of course before that on Discord and Patreon for early trade and strategy, because if you don't have strategy you're gonna miss good trade. The pre-market watch list, every day we do watch list, guys. Today it was AGMH, best entry was around the 555. So now AGMH is about to pull back toward the 619. watching the market closely for NEO and the rest of the stocks. NEO is jumping up. It's back toward the 778 today if we have a good day. Open, pulling back. Let's go. Come on, we need a jump for NEO here. Tesla going up. NEO is about to go up as well. Let's see if we're gonna go up for NEO for new high over the 760. Ah, 758. Come on. We need 760. 758. 759. A new high for NEO is coming. Where's the bulls? Where's the bulls? Come on, 761. We need NEO to jump. Where's the bulls? Now or never. Uh-oh. 758. Open, Shrine, this one, ADB, no, AGMH, no, Open Shrine, and NEO Shrine as well, guys. Bria didn't, have a fake out. NEO, let us watch NEO closely because I expect the 778 today. If we broke here, it's light on volume. Still waiting for a big buyer right now. 760 is a new high for today. We didn't break yet. Come on, man. Oh, come on, man. I don't like it now. We have a big buyer around the 760. This bastard, man. This bastard who comes just below the 760. Ah. Come on, man. Why we pull back like this? Oh, come on, man. This is the trick. Anyway, now it's gonna go up. Okay, there's someone adding out of the 760 for NEO, man. What a disappointment. As said, guys, we said if we broke the 760 right now would be easier jump. We're still holding the gap, but I don't like this kind of reaction, man. It's not good. Open, the same, pulling back. ZWO, Z, not good. ADAB, pulling back. AGMH, reversing up, guys, watch out. Still good, AGMH. ADAP pulling back, CJET pulling back, Open pulling back as well, NEO pulling back, is filling the gap, LASE, SNAP, CDLX pulling back, take it from the little list. Bria, we have kind of fake out, guys, for this one, WLDS. We have kind of breakout, but I don't like the trend. FedEx is kind of struggling here, holding the support tightly. What else we got? Let's see. Tesla doing all right here. Yeah, we have an unusual buyer for Tesla. The rest of the market is struggling, for my opinion. Yeah, everything's struggling a bit. Okay, NEO is still holding. Let's see Tesla. Yeah, Tesla in the big picture looking really good. Still looking great. might give us a new high. AGMH is getting near the breakout here. Yes, sir. ADAP pulling back. This one. Let's see. Open pulling back. NEO. We don't have a confirmation for a buyers yet. Let's see. Let's see. This one flushing down. Bria trying WLDS. You know, we have a lot of stocks jumping, but technically I don't like them, man. Except for AGMH is the only one that look interesting. The rest is kind of dull. NEO currently trying to hold. We kind of have a support for NEO over the 749. If we held, would be great. If we didn't, we're gonna fill the gap here. Okay, let's see your questions. Intel, INTL. INTL, I will check. VNCE, Mirza, I will check. AGMH, Unicorn, SNPS. I think we already checked this one yesterday. Zeus, not good, guys. NEO is still pulling back, I think. Yeah, it's pulling back now, double bottom. Let us check those stocks. We might. Into, I think you're wrong, man. I think you asked about INTC. Guys, please make sure to write the ticker symbol. INTC, yes, it's recovered a bit in the pre-market. SNPS, yeah, we have kind of fake out here. VNCE, I don't like. INTC, I might trade if we broke the 30, but I don't trust it yet. NEO, I think, is pulling back a lot now. Yeah, it broke the support. Yeah, it broke, man. Yeah, it's going down, down we go. Yeah, it filled the gap now. It's about to fill the gap around the 4 or around the 7, yes. NEO might have a huge correction for today because we don't break the 760. So this is the resistance, I think, before even the 770. If we went down toward the $7, it means this is the main resistance for NEO. Snap, nothing much. LASE, nothing much. Bria did really good job of breaking out. Bria, man, yes, is kind of, as you said, is not good regarding what they do, but it looked okay technically. Yeah, technically looking fantastic here. LASE, take it from the list, taking a lot of time to reverse. Snap, I think, is not for today. NEO, yes, today is pullback day. Let's see if we hold the gap here, because if we had the gap, it could be okay for today. Open, I think it broke. No, not yet. Open is still holding. ADAB currently okay. AGMH is still okay, guys. Not bad for today. Let us see. You see, guys, AGMH was really good in the pre-market. Now is sleeping. We catch it around the 555. We catch it again around the 7. We catch it again around the 860. All those update was in our Discord ambition early on in the pre-market, guys. Sometimes it's better to trade in the pre-market, better than even the market itself, because the market, once it open, we have a lot of sellers, so this is why today is a bit weak, for my opinion. The start of the market is a bit weak for today, pretty weak compared to the other days where we have like 1000% stocks or 4000. Uh-oh, Tesla doing a new high, Unity jumping, APLD, coin, plug doing 7%. Are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me, plug? We have a lot of buyers for plug, man. Yeah, it is jumping like there is no tomorrow. Plug, it is going on the right track. I think we might have a seller around the 255. Yes, this is it, I think. But yeah, plug looking great, guys. The only one that doing fantastic here. Yes, plug 7%. SoFi the same, breaking out. It didn't expect SoFi to do this kind of jump. And plug is still going. Tesla going as well. APLD is going. Sally, you are welcome. But usually I don't do it because it's violate YouTube thing, They always tell me to take down the music. So maybe I will do the part of music, but after that I have to cut the music from the recording. QuantumScape, I will check it out. QS. QuantumScape, what's going on with QuantumScape, everybody? Is doing currently all right. It jumped really good early on this week. Is going toward the new high around the $15 if we hold the current support here around the 1065. Let's see if we're gonna have a nice jump for it. Yeah, we have kind of a breakout here. QuantumScape is doing all right. Yeah, it is doing all right technically wise, not bad. Yeah, I will keep it on the list here because it looks real strong. Yeah, Neo kind of reverse from the gap again, like yesterday. Interesting. Oracle started to reverse as well. Open testing the support while we speak right now. Yeah, it's testing the support around the 780. ADAP, nothing much, didn't break. AGMH didn't break. It's pulling back a lot right now, guys. Be careful. We might have a correction down now. If we broke the 619, yes. Yeah, open is broke the support. Resistance is lowered right now around the 1023 or 24. Now it's going toward the other support around give or take the 926. We have a correction again for open, guys. A correction is coming. Yeah, Intel is still currently down below the $30. Yeah, we might have a correction, guys. You see, the correction is still there. Still there and still going. The correction for Intel that jumped a lot after collaboration with NVIDIA, I think. Let's see. Great question. Why we don't cover MJ20? Why we don't cover SMCI? Because now it's sleeping, man. All the power is going to open. For SMCI, as you can see here, it's been accumulating for weeks. Look at that. Yes, we have a reversal here, but the reversal of 13%, nothing much. Everything changed after the earnings, man. We pulled back a lot, 30%. And now it might recover after we break over the $50, but now it's sleeping. We don't have any action. It's always about the action, man. Always about the action. Tesla pulling back. Yeah, the market is undecided, guys. It's a bit dangerous to trade, from my opinion. Mara is kind of recovering as well. We got a nice support for Mara for today over the 1824. Today we might have another reversal up. Yesterday we did 8% for Mara. Today we might have a new levels for Mara. If we broke this current resistance, yeah, it looked really interesting here. Yeah, around the 1864, guys, we got big seller. Big seller for Mara, guys. Turning point, from my opinion. But I really wanted to go down to buy cheaper price. It's a bit overextended here. AMD, nothing much. Tesla recovering a bit. Coinbase, Plug did a huge jump for today. Going back to AGMH, which is testing the support while we speak right now over the 619, did a really good job in the pre-market. ADAP, not for now. Open, reversing a bit. Neo filling the gap, guys. And Bria, on the other hand, yes, is getting near the resistance, which is the 49. This one is a bit dangerous, guys, because the support I can see here, yeah, the strongest support is the 27. But yeah, we have maybe another support over the 36, but yeah, it's a bit dangerous play, for my opinion. A little bit dangerous. It almost went toward the 47, which is the resistance. So now it's light on action. AGMH, nice reversal, guys, from the 619. We are hunters, not diamond hands. Exactly, man. Exactly. Well said. What else we got? A WLDS, we already checked it early on in the market open, man. QUBT. Wow. Yes. I think we have major news for QUBT. Quantum computing. Contract boost future growth. Whoa, we got government contracts. Not just QUBT, but other stock like Intel, I think, got billions of contracts from the government. So this is a huge, guys. This is a huge. That's why this one is going nicely up. And this one is not a unicorn or day trade stock, so it's a swing. So yeah, it looked really great, man. Thank you for bringing this to our attention. Yeah. Yeah, not bad QUBT. I think I'm gonna put it on the swing play with QuantumScape QUBT. Yes. Not bad. Tesla currently doing all right here. We have a little pullback. What the? Yeah, we have a nice little pullback now. It's going for a new high for today. Yeah, it's kind of getting near a major resistance, for my opinion, around almost the 440. Yeah, it would be great if Tesla pulled back, man. It would be good if we have a genuine pullback to have a nice dip entry. Neo is still holding the gap, guys, perfectly. It just tested the gap, for my opinion. Just tested it right now. Going back to FedEx, holy baloney. We have a huge reversal for FedEx right now. Oh, brother. Yeah, we kind of reversed really big time. It almost went toward the red, guys. It almost went toward the red. But now I think at 15 minutes after the market opened, we got a nice breakout. And now, yes, we'll see. It might go to test the major resistance is here. Maybe I would lower it down here. But yeah, FedEx has really good earnings yesterday, but yeah, it pulled back a lot yesterday. AGMH holding the support, Open pulling back, Neo still pulling back, Brea pulling back, Intel still pulling back. Well, Anderson, BMNR. I will check it right now. BMNR. Well, Anderson is one of our members on YouTube. YouTube membership. Thank you for the support. Support so well. Thank you for the support. Even though the 3 last months, guys, we got like attacked by a lot of spammers, so that's why the YouTube membership join button was locked off or blocked from YouTube because they said we violated some policies, and now we fixed that. PMNR. Let's check this one for well. Interesting. 2% is getting near a resistance, brother. The 6160. If we broke, we might have the 6280. And currently have a strong support bottom around the 58. We have a big buyer, I think, there. 58.90. So yeah, we did a nice reversal here, 3%. It looked really interesting right now toward the 62 and 63. BMNR, not bad. Not completely bad. Neo, yes, it's still going down, man. Today we might have a huge dip because I think we filled the gap right now. So I'm watching for a huge dip, maybe. And I'm gonna change the resistance. The main resistance was today here, guys, around the 760. We were watching it closely for a breakout. Once I saw this huge selling pressure, it was a big warning sign for me. Open, currently pulling back. Neo is still on the green side, so technically we're not red. Maybe it will turn to red now, guys, because kind of filled the gap. So we might turn to red. If we go below the 730, yeah, we're gonna go big in red to correct. INTC correcting down as well. Have a huge channel here. After 30% jump, guys, we have a little bit of correction. Yeah, it was FOMO buying. That's why we're pulling back now. APLD still in green. Tesla still in green. Right, plug. SoFi have a new high around almost the $30. Wow, QBT is still going strong. Yeah, I think we might have a pullback at any moment now. Oracle is pushing back up. Yeah, Oracle is still consolidating here. The same trend for Oracle happening for another stock, I think, like for INTC. Yes, INTC and Oracle have the same trend. AGMH, a huge reversal, guys, watch out. Big buyer, as we said, the 619 was perfect support for AGMH. Is the only unicorn that looked great now. ADAB maybe for later, but now it's not that good. So yeah, the only one that look interesting for a unicorn is AGMH. AGMH Wells. Okay, BCDA. No, it's light, man. Light on volume, not good. Yeah, AGMH looking really interesting now. It is Friday. Today it is Friday. We have some action here. AGMH trying to break out, guys. AGMH trying to break right now. We have a rejection again, a huge rejection around the 813. That's normal. Open, recovering up. Neo, the same. Brea, guys, broke the support, the first one. Huge pullback, for my opinion. So technically we have a bit of green day today, not bad. Let us check again the main top gainer for today and the main top losers, just in case to see. Yes, today is pretty much slow. BRFH might be good. Let's see here. Yeah, here. BRFH, no, it's not good. Top losers, let's see. We got one, RVPH, 30% down. RVPH, I think was one of the top gainer before. Yes. Now it's 25%, 25 cents. I would pass. So yeah, AGMH, guys, is have a struggle to break here, double top. The only unicorn that might be good for today at the rest of the day. BRFH has halted. BRFH. Let's see if it's halted up or down. BRFH is halted down, but not good. BRFH halted a lot. IDAI, I think, still halted, but halted 10 minutes, I think. Yes, I think we traded before, but I don't like it now. Yeah, this is it for now. We're gonna do a major update later on, guys. Wait for an action later because the market is a bit slow now. A bit slow. WLDS, not bad, yes. Might be good for later. Anyway, guys, this is it for now. I'm gonna do a major update for you guys later on our Discord and Patreon. For the meantime, stay tuned for this updates. And for now, don't try to overtrade. Let the price come to you and never run after the price, everybody. And of course, see you all back next Monday, where we're gonna trade the market again. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you all back on Monday. Have a great, fabulous, outstanding weekend, everybody. See you back by Monday.